Hey, Les Waller here. We are in Isny im Allgäu, and we stayed here at the Stoll's Family Brewery. They have a brew house with rooms and stuff like that. Rooms were really nice. But the real reason we're here today is we're going to go to the Blaser, that's B-L-A-S-E-R, gun factory for a tour. Don't know if we'll be able to video much inside or not, but I figured, hey, let's get this thing started. So we drove down here yesterday on Sunday for the tour on Monday rather than making an 8-hour drive in one day. Split it up a little bit. So we'll see you at the factory. All right, we are at the Blaser factory, but it looks like where we parked is actually the shooting center, not necessarily the factory per se. So we'll have to take a look to see where we're going to meet, or maybe I can text that guy and see where actually we're supposed to meet and stuff like that. So stay tuned. All right, I talked to one of the workers and we're actually in the right place over there, but I saw this nice office building here with the Blaser name on it, so I figured I'd shoot that from here. So we'll see you back over there.
I don't know who owns what. Who are you? Okay. Well, not yet. All right, good. And so we'll run through. Take what you want, and that's what we came up with. So it's pretty cool. It's not cheap. It's first generation, so there's a few little things. Something our owner wanted to do. So, hey, don't worry about it. Yeah, make what you want, and then do it. So we're still friends with those guys. Just for the wood. And they do custom weapons and design. They build them from the ground.
Is their grade, their number?
That's what I like.
Okay, we finished the tour. Just want to head back and show you the place where we ate, at least the outside anyway. Very interesting tour. If you have a chance to get involved or get to tour the place, then I highly recommend it. So this is the restaurant, as you say, they eat here. Executives eat here. They got a couple chefs that cook for you. Different meal every day. Right, Mrs. Waller?
Yeah, we'll take them out of the range and have competitions. So then we'll all meet here at night for just drink, eat dinner. Yeah, it's nice. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. There's beer, wine, schnapps.
Desert work, and then it came back.
Yeah, I know.
That's why they got the telescoping thing going on.
So I was waiting for me to do
I
it.
have on my church photo.